those rungs? What rungs? Ooh, that draft.
Wow. I'm so lucky I did not know there was a room right here. And I just stood full up.
I think this channel used to be a little more narrow.
I'll go without you though.
Ah, fucker.
Oh, okay.
The number of times that light's done that.
I like how you can barely see the daylight out there.
It's a nice breeze.
It's a cool fucking view of you guys coming down the tunnel. I call that the Justin's getting old and can barely walk dance. Shine that thing in my eyes one more fucking time.
I'm sure you can't walk, bitch. At least I'm not blind. Ah, fucking hate. Backpack.
Justin, when you get up to this curve, so you can point the light on the wall you're against.
Okay.
Yeah, give me a second. I hear something sounds like a big waterfall ahead. Hey, tell him no. Don't stand up in that grate or you can smack your head into a metal bar. And it gets slippery.
Oh yeah.
We're in a CSO for sure.
Oh, right out into the water, right out into the ocean.
Really healthy, huh?
That's how it works.
Way to go, Fall River.
Oh my god. Whoa. Holy shit. That is slick as fuck.
Hey, is that poop?
What you could be. No, it's from the rust on the bars above you.
You
I
know,
thought the same thing at first.
last time I had this
I don't
conversation.
know.
Yeah. Last time I had this conversation with someone, it was poop.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Justin's like, sweet, there's poop. I want to rub it all over my arms.
No, I am sweating my balls off. This is not sweatshirt condition.
That's the CSO right there.
I kind of like the end of it, how it works off after the... Not be too much of a pain in the ass to try to set up. There we go.
Which one?
So we got plenty of oxygen.
Get some water.
We've done one of these before. In the socket.
People like one spot. Just use that, put your foot on.
Sounds like we got another one.
How many layers of ground are we under here? I just got service on my phone.
Look for your close to the top.
I'm up.
I have a feeling that it's going to continue to be the same thing. Black PVC pipe concrete, black PVC pipe concrete, black PVC
I
pipe
don't know why
concrete.
there's so many levels to this.
Uphill.
Up what hill?
Yeah.
The fucking hill we parked on.
We are,
We're
going
water.
under the river.
What? No way, that can't be right.
We took some turns.
Facing the opposite way. Is that right?
Yes, it is.
Hold the camera for a second. Yeah, I forgot my camera. You want to go through that one?
You what?
You want to go through that one?
No, I meant that one.
That's the one we came.
There's a ladder.
Another comment with a little overflow.
Where'd we start from?
Somewhere out here.
Nice.